You don't have to hide, you can watch. Alright, we're going to put a mirror in this one, guys. We're going to get a before and after picture of it. This is a good one. You know me, I like these good ones. And that's a good one. We got the umbrella shade in it, but I had to have them pull out of the garage because it doesn't have enough light in there. So even though the umbrella's shading it, I still have plenty of ambient light to be able to see this. Holy mackerels, that's even longer than I thought. So I thought it stopped right there. But putting the mirror behind it now, I see it continues all the way up to here. Did you see that? It looks longer. I mean, it's longer now because that was all I could see. And now I'm seeing it all the way up to here with the mirror behind it. The mirror of truth. The mirror tells the truth of things. Oh, this wind. Oh, and guys, I want to show you this. Look at the mountains. Can you see them? I bet you can barely see them because that's all smoke. That's all smoke. The whole damn state's on fire. So we are down here in the valley, and we are just inundated with smoke. This line right here is not... This line is not connected to that line. We got a line that's not connected in the middle right there. We'll see if it'll take resin. That's just a bug splatter, okay. I thought that was another little chip there. Okay, so far that's the only line that I see that's not connected in the middle. And if that one doesn't take resin, we're going to have to pop it too to get it to fill because I'm not leaving the lines unfilled. That one's expanding a little. But that one, God, that is such a thin line right there. I'm probably going to have to pop that one too. If you want to walk up here and look at it, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You'll notice this line stops here and then continues here, and even when I push on it, it opens. But you notice there's nothing connecting the two lines. So when I say pop it, I might have to drill a hole right in the middle of it and put my little tool in there and make a chip to connect the two lines together. So this one's going to be kind of a different one.
Yeah.
You know, I love different chips though. Just love different chips. First thing we're going to do though is drill the center of it. And my drill bit's getting a little bit dull. I'm going to have to replace it. Thank goodness it's Friday. Because I hate having to replace my drill bit in the middle of a damn week. You know? I'd rather do it on Saturday. That way I know it's been exactly a week since I replaced it. But I've been doing a lot this week. Yeah. So, I'm surprised that it's lasted this long. Now normally I wouldn't put my tool on the bottom of the down below like this, but I want to be able to see that upper line. Down below, see how far the resin goes on that upper line. Sorry about the wind, guys. There's nothing I can do about it. God's angry, apparently. Makes it very difficult to get the resin to go in the straw too. It wants to blow all over the place. If that line will fill all the way up, that'll be a miracle. I don't see it happening, but it might. Stranger things have happened in my world. We're going to watch it and see what happens. So I can't even see that other little line over there on the other side. I know where it's at. I can't actually see it because the tool is in the way. And the reflection isn't showing up in the mirror. That line. Line's trying to expand a little bit. So far we're almost halfway up this line. Stupid umbrella's right in my way. Oh yeah, that one's filling. All the bottom ones are filling. That one's filling. That one's almost full. That one's almost full. Might as well top it off. What about that one? That one's pretty full too. It's still working its way up the line. It might actually fill it all the way. Won't that be a surprise? Tiny bit more. Tiny bit more. So this gentleman said he called me because he saw my Google and he's seen that I'll do things nobody else will do. That makes me happy. How's that one? Oh, that one over there is full already. Bottom line needs to fill a little more. I hope you guys can see that line when I open and close it. I don't know that you can, but I'm trying to hold the camera very still for you. You can see the whole line turns black when I open it, and then when I release it, the end gets smaller and smaller because it's filling all the way in. I always try to zoom in with the editing program because the glasses don't have a zoom on them. I try to zoom in with the editing program, and sometimes I'm looking too low or I'm looking up too high. I don't really see what I'm doing. By golly, that line is almost full, my friend.
That's great.
It's filling. I just have to be careful not to push on it too hard and cause it to pop across the windshield the rest of the way. But it's filling. So all the other lines are filled. I think we're going to pull a vacuum now. Draw some air out of this top line at least. There's the air pocket right there at the top. You see it, right? And we open it. Open it and close it. Open it and close it. So what we're doing now is we're sucking the air back out of the line. Doing it the same way we do when we're pressurizing the resin into the line. When you pull a vacuum, if you open and close, open and close, open and close, it opens it up, draws the air down, and then as you let it close, it has no choice but to force that air farther towards the vacuum. Closer towards the vacuum. Just like when you're pressurizing the resin, and you open and close, you're pushing resin into the line, so when you open it, it allows the resin to flow in, and then when you let the line close, it's like a heart, it's like your vein. When your vein closed, the pressure shoots farther up. Like a heartbeat. Alright, we got all the air out of it. Let's pressurize one more time just to make sure everything's full. Now I cannot see that line that I was pointing out over there that was like partially connected, but I think It's probably full. It might have been that one. That one filled in real good. This one's got a tiny little air pocket right there. There it goes. It's gone now. That one's full all the way. We're going to fill this one the rest of the way. Oh yeah, beautiful thing. Get that one filled the rest of the way. Beautiful. Now it's not going to be 100% invisible. You're still going to be able to see some of the lines because the resin absorbs light differently than the glass. So they're going to look like little hairs. Yep, that invisible line filled in too. Good. They all filled. Even though I couldn't see it, it filled. I couldn't see where it was, but I cannot see it at all now. So that means it filled in, which is beautiful. Get that one taped off. There's resin up there on that one. Wind. I'm so sick of the wind. You would think that I would just move out of Utah since I'm so sick of the wind. I was telling a lady the other day that ever since I moved to Utah 9 years ago, the wind has done nothing to blow.
This is actually a really windy spot too.
I've been dealing with the wind for 9 years, and I've never dealt with wind like this. You know? Yeah. And I've lived in a lot of states. Alright, we've got to let that cure in the sun. We'll go put our umbrella back. I'll turn off the camera for now, and I'll turn it back on when we scrape that clean.
What type of form of payment do you take?
Dead. I'd already got one video on here today. Yeah. I didn't want the battery to go dead before we could scrape this clean. Alright guys, check it out. You know how bad. I didn't get a before and after picture. Damn it. I can take a before and after screenshot. That's what I'll do. Take a screenshot off of the glasses. That's what we'll do. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. That is beautiful. I don't really need a before and after picture for YouTube. I need a before and after picture for Google. You know? Because that way I can show I do the impossible. I love it. And I'm not sure how close I was to this one when I was first putting the tool on it, but there we go. There it is. That's the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Now we got to clean off the inside of the glass where the suction cup is and where his fingerprints were because he wanted to see if it came through.
That's not the window so hard.
I can always tell when somebody's worried that it came through the glass because there's fingerprints on the inside. Yeah, I would imagine it was a pretty good sized chip. Alright, how clean do we have it? We have it pretty clean. Alright, from here you can't see anything, but if I get just right in the sun, there we go, you can still see the line if you're at just the right angle. Let's take a look at it from inside. Electric car. Put the glasses where you guys can see. Alright, that's where it was, right there. Hopefully you can see my finger. You can't see anything from in here at all. That's beautiful. Can't see it from inside. Check it out. Alright, ladies and germs, you know what to do. Hit the like button, click the subscribe button, share the video, and throw me some love.
It's amazing.
Say that again?
It's amazing.
Alright guys, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next video.